explorers, Christy here. Guess what? I found a super magic alphabet book. Let's go on an ABC adventure together. Oh no! The letters are running away! Come back, silly letters! A. I found A for apple. B is for ball. Got it! C. C is for cat. D. D is for duck. E. E is for elephant. F is for flower. G. G is for goat. H. H is for hedgehog. I is for ice cream. J. J is for juice. K. K is for kite. L. L is for lion. M. M is for monkey. N. N is for nest. O is for orange. P is for puppy. Q is for queen. R is for rainbow. S is for snake. T is for turtle. U is for umbrella. V is for violin. W is for whale. X is for xylophone. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra. Wow! I found all the letters from A to Z. The jungle is so magical. Wow, little explorers, what an adventurous journey it was. Bye-bye. See you next time.